श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सुधाहृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमहं प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देवसुधात्वदीया दयाद्रङ्गान् सुधाकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुम् व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजय पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरीके निषण्णः अम्लानश्चेरमृतविषदेरं शुवेप्लावयन् माम् आविर्भूयाद्धनकमहिमा मानसे वागदीशः। शब्द परिचयः, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स। पुल्लिंग शब्दाः. Since yesterday it was not clear, today I am showing you the clips. These clips will be shared to everyone. Let me read once again as a recap. Words ending with aha or masculine words. Examples: Manushyah, Vrikshah, Padah, Kulirah, Matsyah, Chandrah. Some more words ending with a. Nakulah, Narah, Ajah, Analah, Gajah, Kakah, Rishabhah, Balah, Parvatah, Chatakah, Akashah, Pikah. Now, how to decline only akaranta in singular, dual and plural. Yesterday I said normally we have singular and plural in every language. Every language we have only singular and plural. Whereas in Sanskrit, dual is also available. Even in some of the languages the dual is available, but still only Sanskrit is practiced even now. Others have left it. La, for example, la, la, yara, la, yara, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la. This la nowadays it is dropped by new people, those who come to Sanskrit. But Sanskrit has a tradition. They stick to the tradition and still it is used. So like that in many languages, whatever is not in use much in use, they all drop it. Now, let me introduce you Vriksha, Mushaka, Vanara, Mayura, Pada, Chataka, Gaja. All these are all in Akaranta and masculine word to be declined in singular, dual and plural. It is a recap. Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha, Mushakaha, Mushakau, Mushakaha, Vanaraha, Vanarau, Vanaraha, Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha, Padaha, Padau, Padaha, Chatakaha, Chatakau, Chatakaha, Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha. Hello, sir. So like this, you have to write 5 words and you have to send it in Google Classroom. Okay? It is compulsory for everyone to write any 5 words like this not from this list. You have to choose the words on your own, maybe from the previous slides. Okay, maybe from the previous slides. You have to write singular, dual, plural for 5 words. Okay, not for these 7. You should not follow these 7 words. Shall we go further? The words end with E. They are also masculine words. Kavihi, Munihi, Adrihi, Harihi, Jaladhihi, Kapihi. Once again, Kavihi, Munihi, Adrihi, Harihi, Jaladhihi, Kapihi. Some more words, some more masculine words end with E. Vidhihi, Panihi, Girihi, Shripatihi, Vyadihi, Payodhihi, Sarathihi, Oshadhihi, Patihi, Rishihi, Nidhihi, Phanihi. These are the masculine words. I am not going to teach you how will you decline in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam, because this is second level learning. Okay. Now the first level learning is only to understand the declension of Akaranta and Akaranta. Okay. Now I move on to Ukaranta words. Ukaranta words ending with U and they are masculine words. Bhanuhu, Guruhu, Shishuhu, Shambhuhu, Taruhu, Vishnuhu. Once again I am reading. Bhanuhu, Guruhu, Shishuhu, Shambhuhu, Taruhu, Vishnuhu. Some more masculine words ending with U. Ripuhu, Bandhuhu, Sunuhu, Pashuhu, Shatruhu, Sadhuhu, Sudhamshuhu, Krishanuhu, Induhu, Bahuhu, Dhenuhu, Ketuhu. Again I read the words. Ripuhu, Bandhuhu, Sunuhu, Pashuhu, Shatruhu, Sadhuhu, Sudhamshuhu, Krishanuhu, Induhu, Bahuhu, Dhenuhu, Ketuhu. I am not going to teach you the declensions in singular, dual and plural. Okay, you will learn it in the level 2. Now introduction of Strilinga Shabda, feminine words. Yeah. What is the main identity of feminine words? They are ending with A or E. Okay, that's the identity. Rama, Mala, Khatwa, Paduka, Bala, Vasudha. The English meaning is also given, so I am not going to tell you. It's only for reading practice. Rama, Mala, you have to repeat. Okay? Rama, repeat after me. I can understand that you are telling. Mala, Khatwa, Paduka, Bala, Vasudha. Once again I am going to read you. Once again I am going to read for you. You will repeat after me. Rama, Mala, Khatwa, Paduka, Bala, Vasudha. Now we move on to the next page. Some more words ending with A. All are feminine words. Amba. You have to repeat. You all have to repeat after me. Okay. Amba. Bala. Lalana. Vriddha. Praja. Nauka. Mallika. Nasika. Jihva. Chhatra. Patrika. Sarita. Once again, Amba, Bala, Lalana, Vriddha, Praja, Nauka, Mallika, Nasika, Jihva, Chhatra, Patrika, Sarita. Now we move on to next page, which is teaching you how to decline in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Yesterday one boy asked me. Okay, learn it now. Learn it carefully. I have selected 7 words here. You will be watching them. Let me read. You will repeat after me. Let me read all the 3 words. Amba, Ambe, Ambaha. Then you have to repeat. Okay? I will give you pass. Amba, Ambe, Ambaha. Repeat. Lalana, Lalane, Lalanaha. Lata, Late, Lataha. Sarita, Sarite, Saritaha. Chhatra, Chhatre, Chhatraha. Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha. Vriddha, Vriddhe, Vriddhaha. Again, let me read once again. Amba, Ambe, Ambaha. Lalana, Lalane, Lalanaha. Lata, Late, Lataha. Sarita, Sarite, Saritaha. Chhatra, Chhatre, Chhatraha. Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha. Vriddha, Vriddhe, Vriddhaha. So your work is to write this Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam for 5 words. You will practice this also, these words also. Apart from that, you will take up 5 words either from this, the previous list. It may be from the previous list. From here you will choose some words and you will write in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Okay? So you will write 5 words in masculine, 5 words in feminine. Like that, I will finish 5 words of neuter gender. So that also you will write. So total 15 you have to write. Remember, you have to submit by Wednesday. Okay? It's not that Friday. Till last minute you cannot pull. Shall I read once again these words? You also will repeat, read along with me. No need to repeat after me. You will be reading along with me. Okay? Shall we start? Yeah. You also see the clip and see the read along with me. Amba, Ambe, Ambaha, Lalana, Lalane, Lalanaha, Lata, Late, Lataha, Sarita, Sarite, Saritaha, Chhatra, Chhatre, Chhatraha, Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaha, Vriddha, Vriddhe, Vriddhaha. I hope you have understood, you have practiced. Now we move on to the next slide. Some Strilinga words ending with E. We have seen the words ending with A, E, U. All are feminine words. Strilinga Shabda. Clear? Now we go to the word E. Parvati, Nadi, Janani, Vidushi, Stri, Dharani. The meaning is given, so I am not going to read the meaning. Parvati, Nadi, Janani, Vidushi, Stri, Dharani. Shall we go to the next page? Yeah, some more words ending with E. All are Strilinga Shabda. All are Strilinga Shabda. Sakhi, Bhagini, Mahi. Hope you are repeating after me. Harini, Shreni, Dhi, Bhavani, Gauri, Nati, Mrugi, Kamalini, Karkati. Let me read once again. You all will repeat after me. Okay, I will give you a pause for you to repeat. Sakhi, Bhagini, Mahi, Harini, Shreni, Dhi, Bhavani, Gauri, Nati, Mrugi, Kamalini, Karkati. Clear? Let us read once again these words. Okay? Repeat after me. Parvati, Nadi, Janani, Vidushi, Stri, Dharani. Now repeat these words also. Sakhi, Bhagini, Mahi, Harini, Shreni, Dhi, Bhavani, Gauri, Nati, Mrugi, Kamalini, Karkati. These are some of the feminine words ending with E. We are not going to learn to decline in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Only A and A. We are going to learn only A and A in this level. Okay. Now we move on to the next slide. Napumsakalinga Shabda. The words ending with "u" are very less, very few. That's why it's not given. Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, neuter gender words. See how beautiful. Hope children like fruits. If you don't like fruits or not, I don't know, but you like the last one. Yanam, vehicle, car. Okay. Let us start. Phalam, repeat after me. How to say? Pha. Phalam, not phalam. Okay? You should not fold only the lower lip. Instead, you have to fold together both. Phalam. Patram. Repeat after me. Patram. Patram. Ghatiyantram. Utajam. Yanam. Shall we read once again? Phalam. The meaning is given. I am not going to tell you the meaning. Phalam. Patram. 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 See the difference? Just one line. The whole meaning is getting changed. Ghatiyantram. Utajam. Yanam. Utajam, a small hut. Hut is called Utajam. Yanam. Yanam is a vehicle. It can be a car, lorry, anything. Okay. Now we move on to the next slide. Oh, one more. Very beautiful. Padmam. How to read? Padmam. Repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Abharanam. Abharanam. After me. Repeat after me. Listen to me carefully. Then you will follow me. Nayanam. Nayanam. Banam. Banam. Sorry. Bhavanam. Ratnam. Ratnam. Once again. Padmam. Abharanam. Nayanam. Banam. Bhavanam. Ratnam. Okay? Repeat again. Padmam. Abharanam. Nayanam. Banam. Bhavanam. Ratnam. Okay? Shall we go to the next page? We will go to the next page. Some more words. Words are introduced. They are Jalam. Repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Meaning is given. Jalam. Kalamam. Kalamam. Kavyam. Kavyam. Natakam. Dinam. Dinam. Chandanam. Chandanam. Vanam. Kananam. Pustakam. Pustakam. Jalajam. Above on the top, Jalam. Now this is Jalajam. Lotus. You know why? Jalaja. Ja means borning. Born in. Born in. Jala. Water. Born in water. Whatever is blooming in water, they are called Jalajam. Even lily is called Jalajam. Okay? Nilotpam, blue lotus is also Nilotparam. Is also Jalajam. Apart from that, small creature also Jalajam. But mainly it refers to the lotus. Okay? So Jalajam. Jalajam means what? Lotus. You should not tell Jalajam means lily. There. Now Udyanam, garden. Udyanam, Mitram. You can identify all these words are available in Hindi also. Right? How it is Jal, Kamal, Kalam, Kavya. Ma is not there. Natak, Din, Chandan, Van. Okay, Kanan, Pustak, Jalaj, Udyan, Mit. Say how, what is the difference? See this. Okay. So now we move on to next page, teaching you Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Okay. So this is neuter gender ending with A. Neuter gender ending with A. There are few words in E, U also. Don't worry about those things. What's you have told or something available in E and U also. Don't worry about that. Leave it. Ignore it. Okay. Now, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. We have to practice. Okay. I will read one line. After that, I will give you a pause. But at that time, you have to repeat. Okay. So read carefully. I have given you 7 words. Okay. So apart from this, you have to pick any 5 and decline like this. In singular, dual, plural, you have to write clear. You have to write and take a snap and upload. You have done nicely in the what is that? 5 letters you have written with vowel consonants. Most of you have done well. Even I have to check. I saw that some of you still may be there for attending the test. What is that? Gender test. If still you have to take up, kindly take it up. Today, tomorrow. Today you complete it. Okay. I think now it is too late for you. Tomorrow you will complete without fail. Okay. Don't forget. These small tests will help you. Don't feel that you can't understand. You don't know. Okay. And one more thing. Regularly you have to attend the class. If you don't attend the class, you cannot understand. And whatever the work, little work I am giving you, you have to do that. I don't dump you like school. It's not a school. So far, it is an informal learning. So informal learning, a little work should be given, not to forget the title. Okay. So I have given you a small work to write 5 words in Pullinga, Strilinga, and Namaskalinga in Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Okay, finish it off by Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday morning before 1 o'clock. What time you will have your lunch? Around 12:30, 1 o'clock, right? Before that, before going to lunch, you have to complete and upload it. Okay, so that it's convenient for all of us to go through. So we will understand that yes, you have learned it properly. Otherwise, what will I think? Okay. Sitting in a part of your world, I should not think that you are not learning, I think. Okay, I should get confidence to teach you more and more. So what you should do, you have to finish the work and you have to apply it. Okay, also attend the class regularly. Do not skip the class. If you skip the class, you just send a message to Vijayaraghavan Swami, so we will note it down. Okay, so that courtesy should be there. Okay. Yeah. Let us move on to the Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Vastram, Vastre, Vastrani. Repeat. Again, Vastram, Vastre, Vastrani. Next, Abharanam, Abharane, Abharanani. Again, Abharanam, आभरणे आभरणानि रत्नं रत्ने रत्नानि नयनं नयने नयनानि नाटकं नाटके नाटकानि वनं वने वनानि दिनं दिने दिनानि okay let me read once again okay read along with me vastram vastre vastrani read along with me I will not give you a pass okay I will not give you a pass instead you have to read with me okay vastram vastre vastrani आभरणम् आभरणे आभरणानि रत्नं रत्ने रत्नानि नयनं नयने नयनानि नाटकं नाटके नाटकानि वनं वने वनानि दिनं दिने dinani okay now I think almost close so some more words good nice master you prepared well okay one from master finished oh finished only one okay now what you should do you have to write 5 words like this. Now we have some time. I want someone, few of you, pick up one word in Pullinga, one word in Pullinga, one word in Strilinga, or one word in Napumsalinga, one each. Can you tell orally? We have oral test next week. Okay? Yeah. From a Q&A session can be opened.
Q&A பண்ணட்டுமா இல்ல எல்லாரையும் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு those who want to should I do Q&A பண்ணட்டுமா இல்ல
இப்ப எல்லாரும் இது பண்ணனும் அப்ப என்ன பசங்க சொல்லணும் பசங்கன்னா அன்மியூட் பண்ணி சொல்லணும்
அன்மியூட் பண்ணிடுறேன்
நான் உங்க பண்றேன்
சோ எல்லாரும் அடியன் சொல்லுங்க அடியன்
sorry now I move on to one documents okay word document போயிடுறேன் I will type one sample in Pullinga Strilinga and Napumsalinga so based on the children can tell okay they can pick up their own words and they can tell otherwise I will suggest them a small word simple words I can suggest them okay
So while Swami is doing that, so all of you continue to please stay on mute, and whoever wants to do this, just type your names on the chat box, and we will just call you out in the same order in which you volunteer, and then you can start to Swami will give you a word on which you can give the singular dual and plural.
Correct. First I will give you 3 words. Pullinga 1, Strilinga 1 and Napumsalinga 1. I will give you some words also, some suggestive words. So from that they can practice. So there will be oral practice for them. 10 minutes you will do that. Okay, that practice. I will suggest some words here so that children can pick up the words on their own immediately. Okay. Sort of. Adiyan. I think it's clear. You can see now. Okay, fully visible.
Adiyan, clear or visible? Adiyan.
Clear ka?
Adiyan.
So students can come, 5 students. Any 5 students, 1 word from Pullinga, 1 word from Strilinga, 1 word from Napumsakalinga. They have to pick up and tell in Ekavasanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam as if the examples are given in red color. Okay? They can start. Their time starts now.
Aditya?
Adiyan Aditya. Janaka, Janakaha, Janakau, Janakaha,
Correct.
Vridda, Vridde, Vriddaha,
Very good.
Kamalam, Janaka, Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani.
Uttama. Next.
Bhargav.
Bhargav,
Bhargav, Bhargav, can you unmute yourself? You had volunteered to. Again, we'll move to the next person. Again.
Yes, please.
Kshiraja.
Parvataha, Parvatau, Parvataha.
Very good.
Asha, Ashe, Ashaha.
Very good.
Griham, Grihe, Grihani.
Very good. Uttam. Next.
Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
Shraddha.
Adiyan. Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha. Shala, Shale, Shalaha. Patram, Patre, Patrani. Patrani.
Very good. Uttam. Next. Two more students.
Shravan, you want to go?
Again. Shravan.
Start.
Mriga, Mrigaha, Mrigau, Mrigaha.
Uttama.
Chatika, Chatike, Chatikaha.
Uttama.
Nayanam, Nayane, Nayanam, Nayani. Nayani.
No.
Nayanani.
Very good. Repeat again. Nayanam.
Nayanam. Nayane. Nayanani.
Uttam. Next, last one.
Vinata.
Hariyan. Khaga, khagaha, khagau, khagaha. Kala, kale, kalaha.
Uttam.
Jalajam,
Uttam. Again, repeat last one. Jalajam.
Jalajam, jalaje, jalajani.
Uttam. Very good. Come on. Swami. Pasang Romana Sulika. Q&A session ஆரம்பிச்சிருங்க.
Adiyan, sure, Swami. Samasya.
அடியேன் ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா.
சொல்லுங்க.
இப்போ இந்த ஸ்ரீலிங்க புலிங்க வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஈல முடியும் போச்சு டிஃப்ரெண்டா சிங்குலர் ப்ளூரல் இருக்குமா இல்ல இதே மாதிரி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுமா?
அக்கா ஆல முடியல எல்லா வேர்டும் சரி ஆல முடியும். உங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்ப 3 கத்துக்கிட்டு புல்லிங்கா வேர்ட், ஸ்ரீலிங்கா வேர்ட், நபும்சகலிங்கா வேர்ட்லயும் restricted to ending with a and a. That's all. Every ending will have different formats. Okay, e will have different format, e will have different format, u, r. First you should know the basic structure of Sanskrit language, because this structure is beautifully done, which you should understand, which is not available in any other languages. So I limit to you throughout this level and next level, only the words are ending with a and a will be introduced throughout, because the Sanskrit lexicon is occupied by words ending with a and a to maximum to 60-65%. Clear?
அடியேன் தன்யாஸ்மி.
Practice them first and we will familiarize this, then we will go to e, u, then automatically they will come. Okay?
அடியேன்
Yeah.
தன்யாஸ்மி.
அடே ராதித்யா, இந்த கட்டி யத்ரம் அப்படின்னா கிளாக்னு சொன்னேன் அடியேன்.
எதுமா?
கட்டினாலும் கட்டி யத்ரம்னா கிளாக்னு சொன்னேன் அடியேன். அப்ப கட்டினா கூட கிளாக் தானே. கட்டி யத்ரம் வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கம் ஆயிடுறது. இப்போ கட்டி வந்து ஸ்திரீலிங்கம் ஆச்சு, புல்லிங்கம் ஆச்சு.
கட்டி and come அப்படிங்கிறது நபும்சகலிங்கம், கட்டி நிறுத்தியான ஸ்ரீலிங்கம். கட்டி அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து
எல்லாம் ஒண்ணே தானே.
இந்த மாதிரி நினைச்ச கூடாது. ஓகே, என்ன வேர்டு முடியுது? கட்டி தானே முடியுது. கட்டி யந்திரம்னு முடிஞ்சதுன்னா நபும்சகலிங்கம், யந்திரமும் சேர்த்து முடிஞ்சதுன்னா இது கட்டி நிறுத்தினியானாக. ஏன் நிறுத்த கட்டின்னு யார் நிறுத்த சொன்னது? கட்டி யந்திரம் சொல்ல. கட்டி நிறுத்தினியானாக்க அதுக்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலாவோ அந்த ஃபார்முலா டு பி ஃபாலோ. கிளியர்? ஓகேவா? தன்யவாதம். Next.
Vinata, do you have a question? Please unmute yourself and ask a question.
Yeah, Adiyan, is there any word that is not in dual format?
Your voice is very low, ma. Little louder, please.
Adiyan, is there any word that is not in dual format?
No. All nouns have dual format. noun, pronoun, adjectives, verbs, all have dual form. Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam, singular, dual and plural. They all have this form.
Okay.
Irrespective of any word. Any tense, past tense, present tense, future tense also have dual. Okay, not only this. In future you are going to learn case endings. They also have Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam by default it is there for every word except indeclinable. Except indeclinable. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Now, anybody else?
Again, Deepthi, எனக்கு ஒரே இப்போ நபும்சகத்துல அது அம்மன் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
இது அம் தானே. இப்போ வந்து மேல அந்த ஸ்லைட்ல போட்டுனது words that end with a. அது எப்படி ஆகும்?
இது ஆதா. இது ஆதா இது. கமலன்றது தான் மூல சப்தமே. இங்க கமலம் மூல சப்தம் கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் வரக்கூடாதுன்னு நான் கத்து தரல அந்த மாதிரி.
ஓகே.
மூ எடுத்துட்டு தான் மூன்ற அந்த கடைசி லெட்டர் இருக்குல அதை எடுத்துட்டு தான் பார்க்கணும். அதை எடுத்துட்டு தான் பார்க்கணும். அது கிடையாது. ஆக்சுவலா மூல சப்தத்துல கமல சப்தம் தான் பேர் இருக்கே தவிர கமலம் சப்தம் கிடையாது.
ஆமா.
The word is called Kamala, not Kamalam. But I have given you.
Oh.
Yeah. Because the difference between Pullinga and Napumsakalinga ending with a, you learn only by practice. There is no, it is not defined. This should be in Napumsakalinga, this should be in Pullinga. Words end with or Napumsakalinga. But words a has Pullinga, has Napumsakalinga. Majority, lot of words are there in Napumsakalinga, lot of words are there in Pullinga also. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Adiyan Srinidhi.
சொல்லுங்க.
இந்த level 1 Sanskrit கத்துக்கிறதுல நாம வந்து sentence formation கத்துப்போமா?
இது வந்து level 0 actually 0 தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ introduction of nouns முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. Next introduction of verbs முடிஞ்ச உடனே you will start constructing the sentences. Okay?
Okay. Then use this one.
Yeah. Level 0 la you will start learning to construct the sentences. Level 1 you will start writing the paragraph. In the middle of you have every class, every lesson you have both writing, constructing sentences, and you have even oral, everything. How fast you are taking up, that much you will have lot of training.
Okay. Then use this one.
Okay. Next. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Adiyan Bharadul Adiyan.
Okay sir.
Adiyan.
सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु सर्वत्र ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धन्यवाद.